The gopis, they leave their place in Barsana or Yavat, and they run out to see Krishna wherever the meeting place is, in the flow of the Astakali Lila, morning, evening, afternoon, Madhyan Lila, etc. So they all go from point. There's 8 lovers here, 8 types of Naika Bhav, and there's 4 types of Nayak Bhav. Dear Lalit Bhav, Nayak Bhav, and then Dear Prashant, Nayak Bhav, and Dear Datta, and Dear Odatta, Dear Shant, Dear Lalita. Which one missing? One I forgot. I just said before, now it just slipped my mind. I don't know, I don't have it here. There's 4. Excuse me, there's 4. So the gopis have 8, and Krishna has 4. I was trying to find 5. So as I was mentioning earlier, that women are have twice more bhav than men. They have a whole gamut, a whole color spectrum of emotions, from unbelievably blissful happiness to the most miserable unhappiness and terrible suffering. The men are balanced. The men have the yukta cetasa, yukta man. They have balanced, controlled minds. 99.99% of all yogis are men, and this is the quality of the yogi in the 6th chapter. They're balanced. The women are passionately blissful and tamasically unhappy. When they're really unhappy, they just sleep all the time and curse and all kinds of negative tamasic things when they're unhappy. When they're blissful, they do all kinds of passionate things. Right? Men too. Especially in Kali Yuga, it's hard to distinguish. You can only distinguish genders by anatomy, not by bhav and feelings. The women are as aggressive and nasty and mean as the men. Got 2 witnesses. No, who knows? Spare me. I don't want to learn that one. You can write your books about that. That many lifetimes before I've experienced that interesting road. I've driven down that bumpy road. So I took a detour this life. The way everybody's going, the road is actually smooth. I said, what do you sound like you're crazy. Everyone's going that way, and you're telling me to go the opposite way. Yeah, if you go the opposite way, no more bumps. It's worth a try. And here we are, rolling on.